Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Precision 3480 mobile workstation. This is a 14-inch mobile workstation in the 3000 series, meaning it's perfect for that power user. You can configure this with Intel 13th generation Raptor Lake architecture. You are going to see U processors as well as P series processors. That means you can go from 15 watts all the way up to 28 watts depending on what you need. But not only that, you do have discrete graphics options. We can configure up to an NVIDIA 500 class graphics card, which is absolutely amazing. Think about all the offloading that you can do to that GPU. Things like Teams, Zoom, maybe you're doing PowerPoint, Excel, doesn't matter. You can do a lot with this 14-inch mobile workstation, perfect for that power user. Let's jump into the unboxing. So right here, let's go ahead and pull the seal. Carefully place the notebook down. Let's pop the cover. Awesome. So you are going to see you do have your notebook over here. Welcome to Dell. Let's do great things together. And then down here, you are going to see you do have your power adapter. So let's go push this off to the side. You will see that this shifts with a 65 watt AC adapter. You probably will have a higher wattage GPU, which would mean that you're going to have a higher wattage AC adapter. So it's config dependent there. You will see this is the area where you do have your power brick. Let's pull the notebook and place this down carefully over here. You do have some regulatory safety information over here, right? Let's go ahead, clean up the area. And go back to the unboxing of the notebook. Love it. So it's the little sleeve. Ooh. Alrighty. So we do have the Precision 3480. On this side, you will see you do have your headset jack, USB Type-A, HDMI port, Noble lock. You got some fan venting on the back, which is awesome. Flip it around this side. You do have your SIM card slot. We now support 5G connectivity if you wanted that, which is awesome. 2 Thunderbolt ports, another USB Type-A, and a pop-down RJ45. Really, really slick in terms of the feature set. Let's go ahead, take a look at the keyboard. You have your trackpad over here. You do have a camera shutter up top. This is a pretty slick 14-inch mobile workstation. Again, this is the Precision 3480. Check this out. A really awesome product for the power user, doing Teams, doing Zoom, maybe doing Excel spreadsheets, detailed PowerPoints. This is the workstation you want to check out. Once again, the Precision 3480. You can put a 13th generation Raptor Lake CPU in here. You got all the way up to 64 gigs of memory, boatload of storage. We go up to 2 terabytes, and you can configure that with an A500 class graphics card by NVIDIA. Precision 3480. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.